Hi friends, in the last video we have discussed about exercise 1.1 and in this video we shall discuss exercise 1.2 and in this video in the exercise 1.2 there are mainly two topics, that is in the prime factorization method we have to find the product of prime numbers and the LCM and HCF. So let's begin. First of all, express each of the following number as a product of its prime factors. We have to express the product of its prime factors for a given number. So for here, first problem for 140 we have to find the product of its prime factors. So let's begin. Product of its prime factors of 140 equals to 7 2s are 14 and 0 and 2 10s are 20 and 2 5s 10. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, that is 2 square into 5 into 7. So the prime factors for 140 equals to 2 square into 5 into 7. So for this next problem 156, the product of prime factors of 156 equals to 156, 6 26, 156, 2 13s 26, 13 1s 13. So here 2 into 6 into 13 equals to the product of prime factors, that is 2 square into 3 into 13. Okay. And for the third problem, that 3825, the product of prime factors of 3825 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, that is 3 square into 5 square into 17. That when we simplify the problem with the prime factors, so we get this answer, that is 3 square into 5 square into 17. Okay. For the next problem 5005, the prime factors of 5005 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13, that is 5 is also a prime number, 7 is also a prime number, 11 is also a prime number and 13 is also a prime number. So we should get the product of prime factors. So the product of prime factors for 5005 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So for the next problem 7429, we get 17 into 19 into 23. Here 17 and 19 and 23 are prime factors. So coming to the next problem, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by prime factorization method. That is, we have to find the LCM and HCF. We have find HCF in the last exercise, so we should find LCM in this exercise. So let's start. The first problem is 12, 15 and 21. We have to find HCF of 12, 15 and 21. We have already thought that A equals to BQ plus R is the formula for this. Where A and B is in integer, Q and R is a whole number. So here by taking the greatest value of this 3, 21 is the greatest value and 15 is the second greatest, so you should multiply and the remainder is 6. So when we do this simplification, we get last remainder 3 into 4, that is remainder is equals to 0. So the HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is 3. Here the multiplier is 3, so we get the answer is 3. And LCM, we have also, this is also one of the method I have said. First of all, LCM of 12, 15 and 21. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 and 2 2s are 4 and 5 is a prime factor and 7 is a prime number. Both are prime numbers, so we should not divide anymore. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. So this is the first problem. And another problem 17 and 23 and 29. We should find the HCF and LCM for this both of the numbers. So HCF of 17, 23 and 29 as in the form of A equals to BQ plus R, we need to see that the remainder came 0 at 5. So the HCF of 17, 23 and 29 is 1 because both these three numbers are prime numbers. So the prime number has factors except 1 and the same number itself. So the highest common factor of this is 1. And next we have to find the LCM. As these three numbers are LCM, the LCM is it multiply itself because these three are prime numbers and it cannot be multiplied by any other number. So the multiply of three numbers is the answer. 11,339 is the LCM of these numbers. So third problem 8, 9 and 25. In the A equals to BQ plus R, we have to find the HCF and the answer is 1. For HCF equals to 1, because in the last 1 into 8 plus 0 is the answer. So 1 is the multiplier, we get 1 as the answer. And LCM for 8, 9 and 25, we get 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3, 5 into 5. So 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. So coming to the next problem, 72 and 108. HCF of 72 and 108 is in the form of A equals to BQ plus R, and 108 equals 72 into 1 plus 36, and remainder is 36, and multiplying 72, the second greatest number, into multiply 36 into 2 plus 0. Here 36 is the multiplier, so we get 36 as the answer. And LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2, 2 cube into 3 cube. So 2 cube into 3 cube is the answer. And for the fifth bit, 306 and 657. For 306 and 657, the HCF is A equals to BQ plus R. In the form of that, we get 36 as the remainder, 36 as the multiplier, and remainder is 9. So the answer is 9. The LCM of 306 and 657 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 17 into 73. So the answer is 3 cube into 17 into 73. So that is, guys, and we shall discuss 3, 4, 5, 6 problems in the next class.